Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
When we go to restaurants, we always order tandoori rotis with our meal and never land up making at home because we don't have a tandoor in the house. But today I'm going to show you a recipe of tandoori roti which can be made at home on a tawa. I'm going to take 250 grams of wheat flour for this, and I'm going to add a heaped tablespoon of curd, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 3 to 4 teaspoons of butter, some salt to taste, and now I'm going to simply crumble this mixture with the tips of my fingers. And now I'm going to add water and knead this into a nice soft dough. To begin with, I've added half a cup of water, and as and when we need the water, we'll keep on adding. Another half cup. Our dough is ready. I'm going to just cover this and keep it aside for half an hour. We'd kept the dough aside for 45 minutes. Let's take a handful of the dough. Let's roll it into a nice round shape. Flatten it slightly. Just coat it with the dry wheat flour and just roll it. Just going to fold this, roll it again, since tandoori rotis are slightly thick, you need to roll this a bit thick than your normal chapatis and rotis. Now I'm going to just apply some water on the top. I've already kept a tawa to heat. Just going to simply put the wet side onto the tawa. Just cook it for a minute. We have roasted this tandoori roti for a minute on one side. And now I'm just going to turn this and I'm going to roast the side on the top. We need to evenly roast the tandoori roti, and this is done. Just going to smear it with some butter. And our tandoori roti is done. Similarly, let's make tandoori rotis with the remaining dough. These garma garam tandoori rotis are ready to be served. You can serve it with butter chicken, butter paneer, any gravy of your choice to your family members and have a wonderful, delicious meal.